Hello students, good morning. Okay, I'm teacher Lois. Okay, how are you today? Okay, today we're going to talk about farm animals and their babies. Again, farm animals and their babies. Okay, when you think about farm animals, what comes in your mind? You think, is it a pig? A goat? A sheep? A cow? A dog? Or a chicken? Okay, our sentence structure for today is, what do you call a baby blank? It's a blank. Okay, for example, what do you call a baby cow? It's a calf. It's a calf. Okay, let's review first the vocabulary. What are our vocabulary for today? Okay, vocabulary to learn. First, we have cow. Everybody say cow. Okay, everybody spell cow. C-O-W, cow. Next, we have sheep. Again, sheep. What animal is it? It's a sheep. Okay, can you spell sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Okay, very good. Next we have, okay, this one, what animal is it? It's a pig. Again, what animal is it? It's a pig. Okay, everybody spell pig. P-I-G, pig. Okay, very good. Next we have duck. Everybody say duck. Can you spell duck? D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, very good. Next we have hen. Again, everybody say hen. Hen. Okay, spell hen. H-E-N, hen. Okay. The last one, what animal is it? It's a horse. Again, what animal is it? It's a horse. Can you spell horse? Okay, everybody. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This one is the name of a baby cow. What is it? It's a calf. Everybody say calf. Calf. Okay, spell calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Okay, very good. Next we have lamb. Everybody say lamb. Can you spell lamb? L-A-M-B, lamb. Okay, very good. Next we have, okay, piglet. Again, piglet. Okay, can you spell piglet? P-I-G-L-E-T, piglet. What is this? It's a piglet. Okay, very good. Okay, this one. What's this? Duckling. Everybody say duckling. Okay, can you spell duckling? D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. Okay, next we have chick. Again, chick. Spell chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Okay, the last one we have foal. Again, foal. What's this? Foal. Okay, now let's go back to our sentence structure. Our sentence structure is, what do you call a baby blank? The answer will be, it's a blank. Okay, the first one is cow. What do you call a baby cow? It's a calf. It's a calf. Okay, next we have sheep. Sheep. Okay, what do you call a baby sheep? It's a lamb. Again, it's a lamb. Okay, next we have horse. Horse. Okay, what do you call a baby horse? It's a foal. It's a foal. Okay, very good. Next we have hen. Hen. What do you call a baby hen? It's a chick. It's a chick. How about duck? How about duck? What do you call a baby duck? It's a duckling. Again, it's a duckling. Okay, very good. Next is pig. Pig. Okay, what do you call a baby pig? It's a piglet. Okay, very good. It's a piglet. Okay, let's review the vocabulary. Okay, what's this? It's a cow. Very good. Next we have, it's a sheep. Next we have, what farm animal is it? It's a pig. How about this one? It's a duck. Next we have, what is this? It's a hen. This one, what's this? What farm animal is it? It's a horse. Okay. What do you call a baby cow? It's a calf. How about, what do you call the baby sheep? It's a lamb. Very good. Next we have pig. What do you call a baby pig? It's a piglet. It's a piglet. Okay, next we have duck. What do you call the baby duck again? It's a duckling. Very good. Next we have hen. What do you call a baby hen? It's a chick. Very good. The last one is horse. What do you call a baby horse? It's a foal. Okay, again, it's a foal. Okay, very good. Okay, now we have worksheets here. Okay, we have different farm animals. Okay, cow, sheep, pig, duck, hen, and horse. I want you to match the mothers to their babies. I want you to draw a straight line. Okay, answer your worksheet please. And that's all for today. Bye.